Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix lag in Battlefield 6 on your PC. It's pretty easy. So all you have to do, just go to the search bar and type network. Select this option, view network connections. Then hit right click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're using. Just select the option properties. Then we need to double click on this option, Internet Protocol version 4. Once you do that, you need to set this on use the following DNS server addresses. So the preferred DNS server should be 1.1.1.1 and the alternate DNS server should be 1.0.0.1. Once you do that, click on OK. Click on OK again. You can close this, and now this time in the search bar we're gonna type cmd. Just hit right click on command prompt and just select the option run as administrator. Now here we're gonna type ip config space /flush DNS, then hit enter and just close this. Now the last thing we need to do is just go and type graphic settings, open this. Now here, if you haven't already Battlefield 6 yet, you need to add that first. So for that, just go to add desktop app and just browse your game from here. Once the Battlefield 6 is added here, just expand that and just set the GPU preference on high performance, and these optimizations for windowed games should be turned on. And yeah, now you are ready to go. That's exactly how you can fix lag in Battlefield 6 on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.